Have you ever found yourself spending hours updating your resume, applying to dozens of jobs, and wondering why nothing seems to be moving forward? Many professionals believe that applying to more jobs automatically increases their chances of success. But what if the real problem isn't the number of applications you're submitting? What if it's the lack of a clear career strategy? Hi, I'm Ashley Hughes-Jefferson, founder of the Consult TM Academy. Welcome to Career Transition Recovery TM, a free educational series where we're having honest conversations about rebuilding your career with greater clarity, confidence, and resilience. Because recovering from a career disruption isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things in the right order. One of the biggest mistakes professionals make after experiencing a layoff, contract ending, resignation, restructuring, or other career change is believing they need to apply everywhere. So they begin submitting applications for jobs that don't align with their experience, jobs they're overqualified for, jobs they're underqualified for, jobs they don't actually want, and sometimes jobs that move them even farther away from the career they're trying to build. The result? Weeks or even months of frustration, rejection, and uncertainty. Not necessarily because they aren't qualified, but because they never stop to define where they're actually trying to go. Before you build a strategy, you need a destination. Imagine getting into your car and driving without entering an address into your GPS. You might stay busy, you might drive for hours, but busy doesn't always mean you're making progress. Career transitions work the same way. A clear career strategy gives every application a purpose. It helps you identify the industries you want to work in, the types of organizations that fit your values, the skills you already have, the skills you may want to strengthen, and the direction you want your career to take over the next several years, not just the next paycheck. This doesn't mean every opportunity will be perfect. It means you'll begin making intentional decisions instead of reactive ones. That shift alone can change how you network, how you interview, how you tell your professional story, and ultimately the opportunities that begin finding you. Before we end today's conversation, I'd like to leave you with a simple exercise. Take out a notebook or open a blank document. Write down your answers to these 3 questions. Where do I ultimately want my career to go? What kind of work gives me the greatest sense of purpose and satisfaction? What strengths do I want employers to recognize me for? Don't worry if your answers aren't perfect. Career strategy isn't something you discover overnight. It's something you develop through reflection, learning, and intentional planning. The clearer your direction becomes, the easier it becomes to recognize the opportunities that truly fit your goals. In our next episode, we're going to talk about something that many professionals overlook during career transitions: the importance of identifying your transferable skills and why they're often far more valuable than you realize. If today's conversation encouraged you and you're ready to take a more structured approach to rebuilding your career, I invite you to explore Career Transition Recovery and Reinvention TM inside the Consult TM Academy. The program is designed to help professionals recover, rebuild, reposition, and strengthen long-term career resilience through a structured educational learning experience. You can explore the program with a 5-day free trial included with the monthly membership. Visit consultacademyhub.lovable.app career transition to learn more. Until next time, remember this. A successful career transition isn't measured by how many applications you submit. It's measured by how intentionally you build the future you're working toward. Keep moving forward, one intentional step at a time. And disclaimer, career transition. Recovery ATM is provided for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, employment, or career placement advice. Individual career experiences and employment outcomes vary. The opinions expressed are those of Ashley Hughes-Jefferson unless otherwise stated. Always conduct your own research and seek qualified professional guidance when making career decisions. This series is designed to support professional development, career resilience, and informed decision making